All right. It's a great day. And it's a great day to be different. So that's what we're going to do today, man. We're going to show you guys how to be different. Man, my boy came in. This was his first time getting his hair braided from growing his hair. So as you can see, the side tapers look a little mess, but we're gonna start it off brushing, combing everything down, laying everything down, making sure it's separated, disconnected from the braids. Then we're gonna throw on that one guard closed. We're gonna clean it up. Knock that bulk down, get it to match the rest of the taper. And we're gonna attack the edge up as well to get it to match the sides. Don't forget behind the ear. And back here, I just used it gives it that exact same look. Claw method, half guard, second notch. The exact same look as you can see. It just gives me a little bit more precision, and for some reason, it allows me to lay the hair down a lot better. It works. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me how, but it does. You guys can try it for yourself. So then we're gonna move on. We're gonna hit them with the bald line, the first step, first guideline in the fading process. I attacked the beard. I faded the beard first. If you guys are wondering, it's the exact same thing in reverse. So whatever I do to the side taper, you just do that in reverse, going down into the beard. It's the exact same thing. Bald line. Have no guard all the way open. Fade that out, detail it. But yeah, we're gonna move on. No guard all the way open, as you can see right there. Go up about an inch. Throw on that half guard. And we're starting the detail process. I use the half guard to knock down the bulk. Well, really that one guard, but as you can see right here, claw method. That's half guard, second notch, laying it down. So there's no need for us to go any higher than a half guard. I'm not gonna lie to you. So we're starting the detail, and you can see I'm using nothing but my corners, and I'm detailing everything out. We're notching all the dark spots out. The higher you go up, the more you want to open your lever. So when I'm up higher, where the hair is disconnected from the braids, I'm all the way open, using the feathering technique. And to lay it down again, right here, we got the claw method. Claw method, second notch, all the way open, feather technique. Two different techniques in the same spot. Allows me to blend and allows me to lay the hair down. Creates a nice, smooth, beautiful blend, as you'll see at the end of this. Feather technique. Look how over exaggerated I have the clipper. Just using nothing but that corner. Hit, brush, hit, brush, hit, brush. Very important. And we're gonna snap that half guard on. No guard closed to knock out that bald line. Then we're gonna go midway. The higher you go up, we're gonna open the lever even more, and then we're gonna end up open. As you can see right here, we're detailing. Nothing but the corners. We're attacking nothing but the dark spots and just notching it out. Notching it out. Using that feather technique, it allows you to go up so much more higher in the fade without a guard. Again, we didn't use anything higher than a 0.5 guard. Well, we started off with that one guard, but it was really unnecessary. It was unnecessary. The only reason why I used that one guard was because this was his first time getting his hair braided. So that separation, just to be safe in between that disconnection between the braids and the fading part, I used that one guard just to be safe. But after we knocked it down with that one guard, we followed up with the 0.5 guard, the half guard, second notch claw method, laid it down so much better, so much smoother, and it didn't make it any lighter, any less dark. It just laid it down better. This right here is the longest part of my fade, the no guard section, because details, the details, getting in between, knocking out those dark spots, it matters, man. It matters behind that ear too. Allows me to be a little bit more precise using that claw method. Look at how over exaggerated I have that clipper. I'm using nothing but that corner. And that's pretty much faded, as you can see right there. Then we're gonna attack the lineups. These things are crazy. It punched that line in ridiculously way too easy. Tap, 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 clean up, and we're done. Get behind the ear. Sheesh. These are some hitters. Look at that line. I don't have to press down hard at all. I'm talking about as soon as the hair hits the teeth, gone. But here goes the other side. What we do to one side is the exact same thing we do to the other. I'm gonna let you guys have it. We'll be back for the edge up. All right, welcome back to the edge up portion. Same thing we did on the sides to lay down the bulk to make it nice and even. We're gonna hit that half guard, second notch with the grain. Then we're gonna attack the edge up. Start in the middle, walk it to one side. I'm usually on the left side, so that's the side that I start. It doesn't matter which side that you walk it to. Gonna hit that vertical bar, making sure it's nice and straight. Hit it with some pencil for some contour. Then we're gonna start back in the middle to walk it to the other side. Get it to match. Tapping and going. Hit that vertical bar. Throw some pencil on it for some contour. Clean them up. Making sure it's nice and even. Then we're gonna hit them with some enhancements. The technique on the enhancements, keeping the trigger moving, keeping the nozzle moving at all times, sweeping at all times, never sitting in one spot. We're preventing this from getting cakey and from running. Also, to make it more consistent throughout the entire edge up. So, as you can see right here, the most important part of that as well, we're gonna hit them with some hot sauce, push that pencil over, clean up any excessive overspray. Same thing to the other side, hit them with the hot sauce, push that pencil over, clean up that overspray. give it that razor blade finish look. And we are good to go. We're gonna attack the beard. Keep a nice natural beard. Try to keep it as full as possible. And here you go. Look at that fade. Look at that back lining. Sheesh. This angle gets me every time. This angle does something for me every time. Pause. Pause. Hit it with the pencil for some contour. Smack that razor blade on it. Keep it nice and natural. Yes, sir. Look at the fade from this angle. Crazy. Not too much to it. Throw that pencil on it for some contour. Hit it with the razor blade. Stretching the skin. Yes, sir. Clean up the mustache. But man. Hit him with the hot sauce. And we're good to go, man. You guys remember what he came in looking like. Yeah, you guys remember. But my boy Coop, he came to be different. That boy came to be different, so. There he is. Sheesh. Sheesh. All right, appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you got to do to keep me on your timeline. We out of here. Peace.